Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Payoneer receiving account not showing. So I am in my Payoneer and here you can see that I have the option of get paid and I can request a payment in my receiving accounts as well. So here you can see that because I have an active account and I use it to collect the payments, but if you have a new account you at least collect $50, then this option will be available. But let's suppose you already have $100 in your account and you are still not seeing this option. You simply need to click here on your name and click on support center, and then you need to mention your complete issue to the support, and within 48 hours they will contact with you. Here you can see, and they will help to resolve your issue after you tell them the complete issue, and they are very supportive and they will help you to solve your issue as soon as possible. So this is a process how you can solve Payoneer receiving account not showing. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.